Welcome to Global Online Commerce classes. In last lecture we have discussed the part 1 of the most important MCQs. Today we are going to discuss the part 2 of that video. Let's start with the MCQs. Question first. SAPTA is related to A. Education, B. Trade, C. Environment, and D. Security. And the right answer is Trade. What is SAPTA? The Agreement on SAARC Preferential Trading Arrangement, that is SAPTA, which envisage the creation of preferential trading area among the 7 member states of SAARC, which are these: the Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka, and it was signed in Dhaka, April 1993. Next question. The Environment Protection Act came into force from 1986, 1987, 1988, and 1991, and the right answer is 1986. The Environment Protection Act was enacted in 1986 with the objective of providing the protection and improvement of the environment. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not true about the International Finance Corporation, that is IFC? A. IFC does not make its investment in partnership with the private investors from the capital exporting country. B. The minimum investment that the IFC will make in an enterprise is fixed at $10,000. C. Rate of interest in each case would be matter of negotiations depending on the risk. D. None of the above. Right answer is A. IFC does not make its investment in partnership with the private investors from the capital exporting country. Next question. India is not associated with A. SAARC, B. NAFTA, C. BRICS, D. None of these. Right answer is NAFTA. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is SAARC, is regional intergovernmental organization and geopolitical union of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India is included, the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. It is founded in 1985. The North America Free Trade Agreement, that is NAFTA, was a 3-country accord negotiated by governments of Canada, Mexico, and United States that is entered into force from January 1994. BRICS is an acronym for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. मतलब सार्क में इंडिया इंक्लूडेड है, ब्रिक्स में भी इंडिया इंक्लूडेड है, लेकिन नाफ्टा में इंडिया इंक्लूड नहीं है because it is accord negotiated by governments of Canada, Mexico and United States only. That's where our answer was NAFTA. Let's moving to the next question. Which one is not international institution? A. IMF, B. IBRD, C. IDA and D. TRAI, that is TRAI. Right answer is TRAI. IBRD क्या है? International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is international financial institution. IDA क्या है? International Development Association is an international financial institution. ये भी एक international financial institution है. फिर आता है IMF, International Monetary Fund. It is also an international financial institution. फिर आता है TRAI, that is TRAI. It is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It is statutory body set up by the government of India. It is not the international institution. That's why our answer was D. TRAI. Moving to the next question. Which one is not an element of internal environment? A. Marketing capabilities, B. Operational capabilities. C. Money and capital market. And D. Personal capabilities. And the right answer is money and capital market. Next question. How many rights does a consumer have under the Consumer Protection Act? A. 8, B. 6, C. 4 and D. 5. इनमें से कितने राइट्स कंज्यूमर को एक कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट में मिलते हैं? इसका राइट आंसर है 6. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1986 was enacted on which date? A. June 15, 1986. B. October 24, 1986. C. December 24, 1986. And D. January 1, 1986. इसका राइट आंसर है December 24, 1986. Next question. Characteristics such as age, income, or gender are examples of household pattern, demographics, income distribution, and social cultural environment. एज, इनकम एंड जेंडर ये किस चीज के एग्जाम्पल्स है? ये एग्जाम्पल है डेमोग्राफिक्स का. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एलिमेंट ऑफ माइक्रो एनवायरमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस? ए. सप्लायर. बी. कॉम्पिटिटर. सी. ट्रेड पॉलिसी. and D. Public. And the right answer is trade policy. Trade policy is not an internal environment factor of business. Thank you for today's session. अगर किसी ने अब तक मॉक टेस्ट ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जल्दी ज्वाइन कीजिए. आपकी प्रिपरेशन में इसका अपग्रेडेशन होगा. फॉर फर्दर इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर टेस्ट सीरीज ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो इस कॉन्टैक्ट पे व्हाट्सअप कीजिए. Thank you for today's session. Have a good day.